Ever wish you could zoom without touching the screen while using your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra camera? Let's set the volume button to control zoom. First, open camera app. Tap the quick control icon. Then tap the settings icon. Scroll down the screen. Tap shooting method. Tap press volume buttons too, and then select zoom in or out. Go back to your camera. Now, when you are taking photos, simply press the volume up button to zoom in, or the volume down button to zoom out before you capture. If you are recording a video, you can zoom in or out before starting or even during the recording. It's perfect for getting closer to the action without checking the phone or pinching the screen. This is super handy when you want smoother zoom control while holding the phone steadily, like when recording concert, sport event, or capturing wildlife from a distance. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.